Okay, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on this HOWORK mixer. I really like this blender. I love the color. It's black. Um, it does say unplug from the outlet when you don't use on taking off the parts before cleaning, little simple things. They do send you a little piece of paper that has US tips on it. And then you do get your stand mixer instruction manual. Comes in handy when you don't know how to, take something apart. You also get the other pieces to the mixer. I have not used these yet. This one's for dough, I believe. And this. It's a little top. So when you look right here, this blue light that's blinking is determining that it's on and it's plugged up. You turn the knob and it goes all the way up to a 6. I am now going to turn it on to a 1. Alright, so right now it's mixing. You can hear it. I'm going to lift the phone. It's mixing. Alright. So that is what it does when it is on. It's very smooth, light to me. So now I have turned it off. This little kind of like knob, once you press it down, it releases the mixer to come up, and once you release it, it stays up. You then have right here where you can turn this way like that, and it releases this so it can be washed. And so then once you put it back on there, you just get back and move it. To the left. It's very simple and easy. So then when you're ready to bring it back down, you just press this right here again. Push it down. Lights on. You can release it, and voila, it's back in place. I love it. It's very simple to use. No hard work. No hard instructions to put together or anything. It's pretty much put together and ready to use. Just remember to wash your parts and everything.